Welcome to linuxhelp.com. In this session, we will see how to install Zim on Fedora 34. Zim is a graphical text editor such as to maintain a number of locally stored wiki pages that are programmed in Python using GTK plus libraries. Wiki pages contains text with links to other wiki pages, attachments, symbol formatting, and images. Now I'm going to check the OS version. Use this following command. This is OS version Fedora 34, and then I'm going to install Zim Editor. Use this following command. Installation completed. Now I'm going to check the local search bar. Search here. Click to open this. Give name and click OK. This is Zim Editor. The process of installation Zim Editor on Fedora 34 comes to end.
Thank you for watching this video, and if you like it, please subscribe to our channel. To learn more tutorials, visit www.linuxhelp.com, and if you have any queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.